Planning to get your driving license in Australia? In this video, I will show you exactly how to book your driving test step by step so you can avoid the confusion and get behind the wheel legally and confidently. In Australia, getting a full driver's license usually involves a few stages. You start with a learner's permit, then move to the driving test to get your provisional or full license, depending on the state or territory. Each state has its own transport website and system. So first, identify your state or territory. Are you in Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, or elsewhere? Let's walk through an example using Victoria. But no matter where you live, the steps are very similar. Go to vicroads.vic.gov.au and search for Book a Driving Test. Click on Book a Test and then you will be prompted to log into your account. If you don't have one, just create one using your license or learner permit, name and date of birth. Once logged in, you will see available location and dates for your driving test. Choose the location closest to you and a date and time that suits you. Try to book early. Spots can fill up fast, especially during school holidays. Now you will need to pay the test fee. It is usually ranges from $60 to $100, depending on your state and whether you are doing the test through a government or private center. Before your test day, make sure you have a car that meets safety standards or book with a driving school, your learner's license or ID, and that you have passed your hazard perception test if required. Show up at least 15 to 20 minutes early on the test day. Stay calm and remember, you got this. If this video helped you, hit a like and subscribe button for more helpful guides for new migrants in Australia.